Everybody. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default location save or the default save location for your documents, pictures, music, videos, stuff like that. Let's say, for example, you have a computer that you have a solid state drive, a low capacity solid state drive. Let's say maybe a 120 or a 240 gig solid state drive set up as your OS drive that has your software, Windows, and stuff like that, and you have a separate hard disk drive in your machine for your data. Then that's where you would prefer to store your pictures, music, videos, and stuff like that. For example, on my machine I have like nearly 3 terabytes worth of data, but my solid state drive is just 250 gigs. So here we have the Minotaur Lux Blackmax, which I'm setting up, and we'll show you how to set this up. Okay, so here's how we can set this up. We have to go into File Explorer, which is, of course, usually on your taskbar. And now Windows 7, this FYI, Windows 7, by default it tends to prefer using the library structure rather than just using the user profile structure like they did in Vista. But in Windows 10 they kind of did away with it. You can still enable libraries, but this FYI, this is not the same as setting your setting up your libraries. So on the left pane here, you want to locate your user profile, which usually will be your name, and under that you'll have documents, music, pictures, videos, so on and so forth. Now Windows 10, it's under this PC, and it could be the same in older operating systems as well. So you can actually change the location of your desktop, your documents, download music, pictures, and videos. We're going to leave the desktop at its default location. So if you go to properties, you'll see location to where you can change the default save location. So we'll leave that as is, but we are going to change the default location for documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos. So go to properties, you right click on the item, you go to properties. In location, we're going to change this from C to D, because what I've done here is, if we look back in Explorer, there's the C drive, which is the solid state drive. Here's the data drive, which is the D drive. And here's the users folder, and I just simply moved the when I backed up the files, I pasted them back into this drive. I formatted it, or I actually completely deleted all partitions, start with a fresh new partition, and then restored these folders right here. So I have to do this for all the user accounts, which there's 2 user accounts, so there's more stuff in here, but I have to do it for both this account and this account. So anyways, so you can see there's a move option, which I believe will allow you to move the files off of one drive to another. I have not actually tried that, but that's there. I do recommend, I personally recommend copying the files over to your new drive if you're doing a solid state drive conversion. In other words, you're going from a standard hard drive to a solid state drive for your operating system and your hard drive being used for your data. But I hope that makes sense. So click OK on that. And it's going to ask you, do you want to move all the files from the location to a new location? I'm going to say no to that because I've already taken care of that. So yeah, it will ask you if you would like to move the stuff. So we've done it for documents, now we need to do it for downloads. Same thing. Location, we're changing it from a C to a D. Now do it for music. Again, change it to a D. I actually clicked yes that time, but it's not going to matter because there's not really anything on the drive to move, other than maybe a couple of folders that were automatically regenerated. Anyways, hopefully this video was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.